संदेश दिया है, चाहे वो किसी के लिए भी हो जो फिल्म सिटी में काम करने आते हैं, जैसे सुशांत सिंह आए और उन्होंने सुसाइड किया, तो वो लोग जो परेशान होकर सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, उन सभी लोगों के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन संदेश दिया है। आप भी सुनिए।
You guys must be sad that things were not as they were meant to be, and suddenly everything has changed, and it must be difficult. It must be strange. Well, I just know one thing, that I almost feel a little envious of all of you, because I truly feel that you guys are the chosen ones. So much of the world and how it's going to be depends on you, your choices, and your attitude during this time. I've always believed that the finest steel must go through the hottest fire, and that is what I base my life on, and that is something that I believe in. And I truly believe that something very special is going to come out of these times. Something very special is going to be born inside of you that is going to show you the way. So don't feel disheartened. Life is more than what meets the eye. So believe. And some of us, in times of disorder, chaos, uncertainty, some of us can be fragile. Some of us can be strong and stay unaffected. What I want you to be is the kind that improves in that chaos, that improves in that disorder, improves in the discomfort and the uncertainty. Now that for me is adventure. It is something that is beyond the intellect. It's really about the soul. And if you can be that, I promise you, if you can be that, you are going to see magic happen. And every single one, this is, first of all, just by itself is not easy. And during this time, I think it is even more difficult. But like I said, accept the disorder, improve because of that chaos, improve because of the uncertainty, the discomfort, improve because of it. I think it is here because it's trying to show you something. It's trying to show you the way to a better world. And I hope you believe in that, and I hope you see it. I hope it inspires you. I love you all. Bye-bye.